Hi, everyone, and welcome to the Veeam Partner Spotlight. I'm Tyler Jurgens, a Senior Technical Product Marketing Manager here at Veeam Software.
And I'm Dusty Kokenberg, Senior Director of Marketing and Alliances at Scale Computing. And I'm excited to be joining the team here to talk about some big news and opportunities that we have for you today.
Wonderful. Thanks, Dusty. Let's start with what's going on in the market today. With all the VMware Broadcom changes, customers and partners are facing skyrocketing virtualization costs, restrictive licensing, and uncertainty about future partner support.
Yeah, that's right. And, I think at the same time, customers are also facing some rising ransomware attacks. IT teams are struggling to protect remote and edge and, the big hybrid cloud environments. So partners like yourselves are being asked for modern, cost-effective solutions that aren't compromising on security or flexibility and really allowing them to support these customers in this time.
Absolutely, they are. And that's why a partnership between Veeam and Scale Computing couldn't come at a better time. Veeam now natively supports Scale Computing Hypercore, giving customers a powerful new option for modern virtualization and data resilience.
Yeah, and together we're delivering a unified, simple, and secure solution that is perfect for organizations seeking to move off those legacy stacks and protect the workloads everywhere. Scale Computing Hypercore is providing a virtualization platform that is a little bit different than what VMware has been in the past, but is an absolute perfect alternative for you to be taking to your customers. Yeah, so let's take a look at kind of what customers are telling us and some of the pain points. The things that we're seeing is they're concerned about the vendor lock-in that they've had over the last 20, 25 years. And now, with unpredictable licensing costs and support, they're also looking at a lack of ease, robust, secure backup for edge and distributed sites. And they also need to defend against these ransomware attacks that are ever increasing and really come against the compliance requirements that really start to expand themselves when you do start to look at the edge and really having the sprawl of a lot of infrastructure out there and how to manage that.
Absolutely. And they want solutions that are easy to deploy, manage, and scale without sacrificing enterprise-grade protection. So what's new? Veeam's data platform now fully integrates the Scale Computing Hypercore. That means agentless automated backup and recovery for VMs managed from a single console, plus built-in immutability and portable data formats, which means no more vendor lock-in.
Yeah, and I think don't forget deduplication and compression for efficient storage. Also, seamless migration between on-prem, edge, and the hybrid cloud environments. And native support for cloud backup and DR, so customers can future-proof their infrastructure and adopt the cloud and these hybrid cloud edge environments at their own pace. So where does this matter most? We see three big use cases. Obviously, number one, VMware replacement and migration. So looking to help customers move off those legacy stacks with minimal disruption, and even in looking at the case of zero downtime. Number two, edge and remote office protection. So looking to deliver really robust data protection to sites that have limited and maybe even zero IT resources. So when you might think about gas stations or quick serve restaurants, really the only time you have someone on site with IT infrastructure or IT knowledge is when you roll that expensive truck. And then three is ransomware resilience and providing immutable backups and rapid restore capabilities.
Yeah, and don't overlook compliance and hybrid cloud adoption. Our joint solution makes both easier than ever. So what can your customers expect to gain? Lower costs, reduced risks, and operational agility, stronger security posture and faster recovery from cyber incidents, and simplified management and future-ready flexibility.
Yeah, so I think in short, peace of mind and freedom to grow without compromise. What's this mean for you as a partner? I think it's a differentiation, offering a compelling VMware alternative for all of your current and new customers that are experiencing this disruption in the market right now. Recurring revenue, enabling managed services, cloud backup, and DR as a service, and even an upsell opportunity, helping customers modernize and protect edge sites and also adopt that hybrid cloud.
Plus, you get the full support of both Veeam and Scale Computing partner programs. To get started, visit the Veeam Partner Portal or the Scale Computing for resources, guides, and more.